You've met James?
Yeah. It's just grabbing a small video of it. Would you like to hold it to get it from your point of view?
Over their paw.
Is that what's happening now?
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
And these are the kind of things that kids have. They're like naturally born into it, so they don't have to be taught a lot of it.
No.
They're just sort of so used to it.
Come here.
First time I've held it.
Yeah.
Small camera.
Well, you're doing very good.
The other day, I've got new hearing aids. I had a talk on a mobile phone for the first time.
What did it feel like? Could you believe that something that small you could
I
talk
can't
to someone?
understand telephony at all.
Just
It was amazing.
Yeah.
So I'm a dope as far as computers are
Don't worry,
concerned.
at least I've got grandparents that they're a bit scared of them. It's almost like they feel their hand will fall off if they touch it.
It annoys me that I haven't made more progress with it. I've had a computer for 10
Thank
years.
you.
yeah, really good. Fits really, really well. Wonderful. And Ron and Elaine are good. Oh, there's a car coming and Samui's off.
Did you get that?